Hi guys, Mark Anthony here. You might have to excuse my voice, or if I start coughing, I think I'm coming down with something horrible. But let's try and get through this quick tutorial. There's a lot of talk online about investing in coaching and mentorship, and this is something that I wanted to cover in this tutorial. Now, I know that some organic affiliate marketers consider that they don't need any help with their marketing and prefer to work out everything for themselves, and that's purely a personal choice. And some appreciate the idea and they can see the advantages of coaching and mentoring programs, but they just don't have the funds in place to commit. Even though that a lot of them do have different ways of paying, easy pay systems, but the coaching itself is nothing new, and the benefits can be seen in just about any areas where there is basically room for improvement, I suppose. Think of tennis players and golfers, athletics, and just about any kind of solo sport. But it's the very same in team sport as well, like hockey, baseball, soccer, basketball, or football. If you play soccer to a certain level and you're a goalkeeper, you will have a goalkeeping coach, a dedicated coach to help you progress, coaches to help you pitching in baseball. So the same rules apply. Now, would a golfer have a disadvantage if he tried to teach himself, as opposed to having a dedicated, experienced coach with a proven track record and a mentor who can improve their game to the next level? I think that's quite clear what the answer is to that. But in the marketing world, you would have a coach and a mentor all rolled into one, somebody who can help you build your skills and identify specific problems and correct them. And their job is basically to turn you into an effective organic affiliate marketing machine generally. But it all boils down to how committed you are to succeed in this business. Each organic affiliate marketer will know their strengths and their weaknesses and the areas they feel they have to improve so they can basically level up. But can you turn a weakness into a strength by doing it on your own? And that is the question. And only you can answer that question. So why does coaching and mentorship make the difference to your business? Well, this is not some vanity purchase that people make. This is serious marketers who buy into it because they know it works. Maybe they know people in the business who have done just that, and they can see how beneficial it was for them. And the benefits to you may not be so clear, and that's why I did this diagram here. You can clearly see the hierarchy and how everything basically filters down. So at the top table, you will have all the big names, the Tony Robbins, the Jay Abraham, the Grant Cardone, the Miles Beckler, Matt Diggity, Pat Flynn, Dan Kennedy, Alex Mendosian, and there's many, many more. And these are marketers who have made millions of dollars and gladly teach others on many different levels, obviously for a fee. Now, the investment could be anything from $5,000 to $50,000 or more. It all depends on how closely you want to work with these guys. And they each know their value, and how they have the ability to look at somebody's business and will know instantly the problem it has and the strategy required to turn things around. But this is obviously serious money. You look at Dave Sharp from Legendary Marketer. Now, most people know Dave Sharp, nice guy. But if you want to work closely with him, then it will cost you the best part of $30,000. And you think, oh my God, that's a lot of money. But he has made many people into millionaires through his training, his one-to-one training. So when you consider it like that, you may think it's worth the risk and a worthwhile investment. Although you have to never forget there are no guarantees. So filtering things down, you will have the 5 and 6 figure marketers who have invested in these people's coaching and mentoring service. They've invested some big numbers, and once they know, what happens next? They will offer their coaching and mentoring services to you for maybe $1,000 to $3,000. which still again is a lot of money, a big commitment. But when you consider that their knowledge has come from the best marketing brains in the business, and they are passing on this teaching to you, they're teaching you basically the same strategies for a fraction of the price, then you may think that is a great deal, and you will be 100% right. If you can learn all what these people are teaching for a fraction of the price, that to me is a great offer. So you saw very well struggling alone, but others who decided to invest in themselves will more often than not reach their goals quickly, and that's just the way it is. So I always say to people, it's all very well trying to find all the pieces to this organic affiliate marketing puzzle on your own, but doesn't it make sense to invest in a coach and mentor who already has all the pieces? They already have all the pieces, and all you have to do is fit them together according to their instructions. And that opportunity for investment is obviously there for everybody who can afford it. But it's a simple one for me. I always invest when I'm ready to move up a level, and that's the way it goes for me. And these people who invested maybe $5,000, $10,000 into these top table marketers, they just basically teaching you what they've learned from there. So it makes complete sense to take on a coach and mentor who can show you all this for a fraction of the price. Now I do promote one guy in this business. I know he's invested probably about $50,000. This guy, so I know who's. I think he was with Miles Beckler. I think, but I know he's invested a lot of money. Just by leveling up, he just goes up and up and up and moves up to different levels. And he's basically the guy that I've been with for a while now. He's absolutely amazing. The best guy I've seen probably in this organic affiliate marketing space. He's made a lot of money, and his teaching methods are excellent. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, somebody with some experience, but he's the guy who I offer the free masterclass to, so I'll just send you the details in just 1 second. But I hope you got something from this tutorial today, something to take away, just a better understanding of why people invest in yourself, and it's the option is there for everybody to do so. But thank you for joining me today, and just hang on and I'll inform you about this free masterclass that you can take. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and of course subscribe for more Facebook organic affiliate marketing content. Now, if you're interested in learning more about Facebook organic affiliate marketing, I do have a free masterclass that will teach you how to reach the $10,000 a month income target by getting 500% more leads, and the link for this free masterclass is in the description below. Anyway, my name is Mike Anthony. Thank you again for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.